In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite a contributor and assign permissions in your settings using Chrome. To get started, open Google Chrome and sign in to the platform you'll be working in. Once you're inside the correct account or workspace, head over to the settings area. From there, look for the permissions and ownership section. Depending on the layout of the site, this may appear in a sidebar, a category panel, or within a configuration menu. Take a moment to make sure you're in the right place because this is where user access and account roles are managed. Once you've opened permissions and ownership, find and click the Invite Contributor button. This will open the invitation form where you can add a new user to the account. At this stage, you'll be asked to enter the candidate user's details. Type in their name and email address carefully. It's important to double check the spelling here, because the invitation will be sent exactly to the address you enter. If the information is incorrect, the person may never receive the invite, or it could go to the wrong account. After entering the user's details, you'll need to assign the right permissions. You should see a list of roles or access options, usually presented as checkboxes. Review these carefully and select the boxes that match the level of access this person should have. For example, you might see options such as editor, store manager, or billing. Choose only what's necessary for their responsibilities. This helps keep your account organized and secure by making sure each contributor has the correct level of authorization without giving unnecessary access. As you make your selections, it's a good idea to pause and confirm that the permissions match the person's role. If someone only needs to manage content, they may not need billing access. If someone handles store operations, a management-related role may be more appropriate. Taking a few extra seconds here can prevent confusion later. When everything looks correct, click Send Invite. This sends the invitation to the email address you entered, along with the access level you selected. The contributor will then be able to accept the invitation and join the account with